Hello! To play London's Burning you need to use both high D and low D. So before we learn the whole song and before we put it together as a round so that it sounds like we're playing with other people, let's just check that we can play both high D with a B finger up and a little finger up, and low D, which has B finger down but little finger still off. I'll just go high, low, high, low. Ready? Big breath. Let's do that again, but this time we'll start on low D, so B finger down. The tune London's Burning is in 4 sections, so we'll learn each section on its own and then we'll put them together so that you can play the whole piece as a solo first. The first section uses the notes D, low D with your finger down, and G. Make sure you put your little finger back on when you take your fingers off to play the G. It actually starts on beat 3. We know that the music says it has 3 beats in the bar, but it starts on what's called an upbeat. So the song starts on beat 3. So that we know when to start, I will always count in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then we know that we're going to start playing on beat 3. So the counting for this first section is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, D, D, G, G, D, D, G, G, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2. Let's play it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And again, have your fingers ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The next section has exactly the same rhythm, but uses different notes. We're going to need A and B. Keep your fingers curved over. I just did that so you could see what I was covering. A and B. The counting's just the same. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. A, B, B, A, B, B. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And again, make sure your little finger stays down the whole time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The third section. We're nearly there. There's 4 sections. This is section 3. We need high D. So remember to pick your B finger up, keep your little finger up. We're starting on beat 3 again because of that upbeat, but there are minims. Remember, minims last for 2 beats each, so you must hold your long notes as long as you need to. The counting for this is very simple. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. D, 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 D. It's quite a high note. Let's play it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Section 4, this is the last little bit of the tune. Possibly the trickiest, but you know you can do it. So, we start with moving quavers. We have to go from high D to C. Now high D, you know, has got your B finger up and your little finger up, but C, your B finger and your little finger are the only ones that are down. So we have to practice going from high D to C. Even your thumb is off for C, remember? So let's just have a go at going high D and then swap the ones that are up, go down, and everything else comes off. Let's just practice going from high D to C. Big breath. bit quicker. La da. 1, 2, 3. If you can do that, you can play the last section of London's Burning, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. D, C, B, B, D, C, B, B. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's it. You can play all 4 sections of the tune. Now we need to work out how to put them together. Let's build the tune. The first section you played, do you remember? It started D, D, G, G, D, D, G, G. Let's make sure we can still do that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we're going to play that again, but we'll add the second section that we learnt. So after we've played that, we'll play A, A, B, B, A, A, B, B. Here we go. Well, that's half the tune. Let's play that half again, and then we'll add the high Ds. So we've got low D to G, A and B, and then we'll add the high Ds as well. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We're nearly there. So, section 1, low D to G. Section 2, add A and B. Section 3, high Ds. And now we've got the bit with the moving quavers to add on the end. D, C, B, B, D, C, B, B. If we put them all together, we've got the whole tune. You ready? Big breath. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You just played the whole song. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.